Okay, check it out. These ducks right here, they want to meet my puppy.
You want to get off with the dog?
Come on.
Why
Come
don't
on.
you get off?
Man, you know
I dare you to.
Come on.
dare you to get
I
off.
dare
What do you want me
you.
to do?
Go
Rome,
get off and run around the car and see what they do.
we dare you to get off and get a teddy bear and
Dude, she's wagging her tail.
let
That
them
is
meet.
so
See,
cute.
they're waving their tails, man. Go out there.
I'm good.
Dude, that is so cute.
Come on, man. Just go out there. You're scared
No,
of a
it's
duck?
just- No.
Look, if anything happens, just pick up the dog and then just run and jump in the car. Come on, man. That'd be good footage right now. Yeah, we'll get this footage.
Over me. Challenge.
Look, there's a guy.
Challenge
He's over there
Romeo.
fishing.
Romeo,
Way back there.
go. Challenge you. I'll give you $1.
$1 to go run around.
Yes.
I'll give you $5.
Ooh,
$5.
$5.
Yeah.
Dude.
And
Walk.
plus
Okay, this time if you get $5, you're gonna have to walk by them and then come around.
plus mom's dollar, so
Oh,
go, hurry up, go. He's gonna do
Okay, what
it,
are you gonna
ladies and gentlemen.
No idea.
Get off around like that and then walk slow by them.
Yeah.
And then
Right in
come
the middle of the
all the way
sidewalk?
around the car. I'm right in front of them on the sidewalk.
Yeah. Walk around the car once. And don't put your phone up though.
You're gonna drop it.
No, I'm recording it. You should be worried about the dog.
No,
Hey,
she's right here. I got her. Don't worry about it. Move. You ain't taking her. The other way. That way.
I thought he was though.
Come here,
What if they attack the
girl.
dog?
No, I got her.
They're
goes
already
that-
staring at me, though.
Get the dog out.
No.
Yeah, I thought that's what he was gonna do.
You don't want to get the dog? Get the dog.
Hold on, they coming at me.
Record him, babe. Record him. Walk by them.
Hey, Rome,
Nah,
I don't trust this.
Record him.
No.
Babe, look.
Look that.
Babe, he's not coming in here. Record it.
He was staring at me, man, like he was gonna come in here.
Babe, you better record Romeo. Look that way.
I'm trying to, but
Because we're going after him.
he's too far, right?
You gotta walk by him.
what?
Walk.
Hold up. Whoa, that one got pimples. That one got pimples on his face. Straight up.
He thinks he got pimples, but that's just the way their face looks.
Walk
Look,
by him.
look, you see,
They
look.
stay straight. Oh my god. They straight staring at me. That's creepy.
They look terrible. Look at that face,
both of
man.
them, the twins.
See,
They
that's
staring
what they look.
Come on.
That's so creepy.
Come on, man, just walk by. Take the dog.
Like, I ain't scared about them. These are the only ones that freak me out.
Okay, then walk by fast.
Run, run, run.
You won't be doing this.
Come on, just run by. We're by the hospital. We'll take you if something happens. Oh shit, there he goes.
He's not scared.
Oh man, they didn't do
Like,
nothing.
I'm gonna lock the door.
Well, go forward a little bit.
Hold up. He's turning around. He got those webbed feet with claws. Look at his nails. Look at those nails. They got like pointy like fingernails.
Bye, Romeo.
Look at that. They following me.
Yeah. Let's see. I can't see him.
What if I run at him real quick?
Go.
No.
Go,
Oh my
go.
God.
Now they're ready.
Yeah,
They're ready.
yeah, they're coming for you. I'm closing my window. Okay. There they go. They're gonna get him. They're gonna get him. Look. They're going towards him. He's gonna run.
Yes, he is.
What are you doing? Stay here, stay here. Hey, start going backwards.
No.
Yeah. Go backwards and leave him further away from him. Look.
Oh, no, he's not about to do that.
Oh, he's messing up now. They're gonna get him. Look, we're going. Does he not know? We're going further away. He's lucky. They didn't do nothing to him. They would have been geese. We locked them out.
Go. Go over there. One more time. One more time. Go. One more time. Go.
Take the dog with you, man.
Daddy said take the dog.
Why?
To see what happens.
I want to see what the dog
The
does.
dog's gonna get scared.
If he does, just pick it up. Just
Yeah,
pick
go,
her up
and then you
and
can come back.
hurry
Go around the
up.
other side. Why are you scared of him?
Come on, man. Just do it real fast.
You're gonna. He's gonna get in the car watch.
Yep, if he's smart, he'll just jump in.
Do you see the van?
What van?
The one behind us.
Yeah.
What about it? We're not doing
It's
that.
been there. It's been there.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
you
it's just
trying?
out there.
Why you trying to get somebody paranoid for no reason? He's getting off the puppy. You better pick
Better
her
hold
up.
on to her. Let her walk, but you better hold on to her. Make sure you get it. You pick her up right away.
She ain't that heavy, man. Come on.
The position I grabbed her. No, yeah, I don't want to put her. I don't.
Just go. Just
No,
go.
no, I just got
Just
her.
go halfway. Go halfway.
What do you mean halfway?
Yeah, just go halfway. Hurry up.
Where's halfway?
Like halfway
In front of the
to.
car.
Yeah, go.
Can I leave the door open?
Yeah,
just. What if they jump in here?
Well, then now it's your problem.
Oh no, I could close it.
No, they're walking away. They're scared of the dog.
See, they're scared of the little puppy. Go up.
See, they're scared.
See, they scared of him. They scared
They're
of him.
scared of her.
They're scared of this little bitty puppy.
They're scared of this,
Yeah.
but they weren't scared of me.
Yep, that's what I say. Weird, right? Come on, bring her in.
Okay, yeah. I don't want to bring her any closer.
Come on, let's go.
Because the mod squad over there.
Duck squad.
This is Ducktime Part 2.
All right, let's get you back
Okay.
in the car.
Lay down. Sit down. Sit. Sit. You're not getting on my seat. Get over there.
See our
Pay
pond?
attention.
That's a pond. They be fishing in the pond. Oh, they coming back for some more. Bye. See you later.
Want food, that's right.
Where's this? That's Mr. Pimples, right? That's Mr. Pimples right here. Hey, watch out. That guy right there. Yeah. Where y'all going?
Right, let's go.
Look, the guy's fishing. He's a fisherman. Hey, what about that side? There's nothing. Oh yeah, guys. Those guys over there fishing over there.